Bitcoin against US dollar this week has formed a bullish breakout. We can see that on a Wednesday, where the price has gone above the 63,000 and continued to rise in value. Where we can see on a Thursday, the price has formed this in the small indecision candle with a small body, but it has continued to rise in value on Friday, and it has formed a bullish breakout above, on a small scale, above this one, which means 66,461. This was also mentioned inside the Telegram group for the traders that is expected for the price to continue to rise in value, and we can see that is the price is doing. On the weekly time frame, we can see after the price has formed this bearish breakout the previous week, currently it is being cancelled, and that means usually it is the movement in the opposite direction when there is a failed bearish breakout. On the monthly time frame, we have 1.5 weeks until this month ends, so everything's still open. But currently, what we can see here, after the price is formed a pretty big, strong bearish candle in the previous month, this month the price is continuing to rise in value, and we can see currently what's happening. On the monthly time frame, the very critical level is this one here, 69,000 or 70,000, very close to this one, for the price in return to reach again the all-time high price level, which is currently happening with the market. So for now, based on what I can see until this month ends, the weekly time frame is much better to see. This is indication for the weekly that the price will continue to rise in value. But have in mind that this bullish candle, we have two more days until this week ends. So if the price continues to rise in value, this will be a confirmation of the failed bearish breakout. So it is expected to continue to rise in value, and that means around here 70,000, which is the highest point and needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. So in the next 2 days we will see how this week closes. But if we take a look on the daily time frame, the small bullish breakout has happened just yesterday, and it is also a small indication that there is a bullish trend to continue to rise in value. Currently on the daily time frame, when the price makes a breakout, we can see that here, and this is something that has happened yesterday. The price continues to rise in value, and most of the time the price reaches this area, the start of this supply zone, which means 68,400, and also very close to 69,000. So this is something that is expected, at least what I can see in the next 2 days. If the price continues to rise and reaches this one, then we will need to wait until the price makes a breakout, and that means the breakout needs to happen right here above in order to continue to rise in value. And we can see that the very important price level is visible right here, so I'll put this one so we can all see. When the price makes a breakout to the upper side, just a minute, so we catch most of these, I'll put this one here, and also change the appearance visualization only to the daily time frame, and I'll put here also a supply demand zone around this one so we can track this one a little bit better. And on the upper side, this is the one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is also good. Now we can see if the price makes a breakout, it needs to go above in order to continue to rise in value and reaching again around 75,000. If there is any breakout happening, we'll see that on the daily time frame, and I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.